This is how you can use the point and elevation tool against design and check your elevations using the Propeller mobile app.
The line tool has multiple features here. So one, you can select to create a distance measurement. So let's look at the width of this road, select your point to point. Now we can see that measurement in units of feet, or you can also change this drop down to miles. So if you're in metric, you can change it from meters to kilometers, whatever unit of measurements you're using for your site. The other option we have to view is also a cross-section comparison. So instead of doing a distance calculation, let's perform some real analytics. So I'm going to switch around, reorient this map, and let's go over to, there's a retention pond on this project. We want to check the grade of this pond wall, the slope, make sure it's against the actual design. So let's click our line tool. We'll go to the center of that pond, add a point. We'll go to the top bank, add another point. You can view that measurement, and then we'll run a cross-section against our final grade plan. So now once we zoom in, we can either zoom in on a specific location. You can see on the map itself, you can see where the dot is in relation to the dot on the map itself, and then move around and check elevations and vertical differences between surfaces. So the blue line is, of course, our final grade, the yellow line being the drone surface itself. The different design options, you can view those right on top of your survey. So whether that's your planimetric data, so your lot lines, center line data, any sort of edge of curb, you can view all that here on the platform. Additionally, we can also turn on design surfaces, which will allow us to do elevation checks, to do cross-section comparisons to any of those specific surfaces. So you can view all of that data on site. So let's go back to our toolbar. We're going to select point. Now, instead of marking a specific location with your finger, what we need you to do is move that base map around using the crosshair that we're seeing so you can more precisely select a place for elevation checks. Or beginning your measurements here. So I'm just going to zoom in on this sidewalk here, this edge of curb. And what we can do is place that crosshair right over that specific spot. We're going to see the specific elevation for this model, so 321.65, and then the final grade elevation for that design, 321.093, and it's showing us we have a fill of about 0.28 feet.
If you want to learn more, click the link in the description below to speak to our sales team if you have any further questions about demoing the platform. Thanks for watching.